Assalamualaikum grade 4. Welcome to your English class. This is your English teacher and I hope that all of you are fine. Kids, today we are going to start simple present tense or present indefinite tense, which is on page number 33 to 38 of your workbook. So you have to do these pages on your own. I'm going to tell you the rules. Kids, we have already done this tense in grade 3 as well. So what is present? What is a tense क्या होता है tense tenses are basically time games. Okay, so today we will do present tense. तो present क्या होता है? The time which is right now. ठीक है, वो time जो अभी हो रहा है. Okay, kids, for in present tense, we write in positive sentences, or you can say in a simple sentence, we write s form of verb. Okay, for example, talks, eats, drinks. But if your subject is singular, and what are singular subjects? He, she, it, this, except I and you. Okay, यानी कि I and you के अलावा जितने भी singular subjects होंगे, singular subjects कौन से होते हैं? He, she, it, this, boy, girl, जो कि one होते हैं ना, वाहिद. I and you को निकाल के हम नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस में एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लिखेंगे जब भी वर्ब आएगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी टॉक्स, बी द बॉय रन्स. अब इन दोनों सेंटेंसेस में सब्जेक्ट क्या है? फर्स्ट में सब्जेक्ट है शी मीन्स ओनली वन गर्ल. ओके, एंड इन बी the boy runs. Now what is the subject over here? The boy, and there is only one boy over here, so we write s with the verb. Okay, she talks, the boy runs. Now in negative and affirmative sentences we write does. Okay kids, agar there is negative sentence or affirmative sentence but the subject is singular, then we write does. For example, the boy does not run. Does the boy run? You can see over here there is only one boy. It means the subject is singular, so we write does. Okay, in positive sentences with singular subjects we write s form of verb, and in negative and affirmative sentences we write does. Okay, except I and you. Now come to plurals. If your subject is plural, plus if your subject is I or you, ठीक है, तो इसके लिए क्या रूल होगा? किड्स, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में यानी कि नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस में वी डू नॉट राइट एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. हम एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब नहीं लिखेंगे अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है. ओके, हम सिंपल वर्ब लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी टॉक. वी का मतलब होता है हम. इट मीन्स आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है, जो काम करने वाले हैं, दे आर मोर देन वन. So we talk. In B, the boys run. Now there are more than one boy. Okay, the boys, it means two or more boys. So we don't write s form of verb. Okay, we just write simple verb. We talk, the boys run. In negative and affirmative sentences we write do. ठीक है. एग्जाम्पल, द बॉयज़ डू नॉट रन. डू द बॉयज़ रन. ओके किड्स, अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा या फिर आई और यू होगा. अब प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? यू, वी, दे, बॉयज़, गर्ल्स, or name of two persons, for example Aisha and Ali. So these all are plural subjects. In simple sentences we write simple verb, or we do not write s form of verb, but in negative and affirmative sentences we write do. Okay, now you come to page number 33. You have to add s or es. It is very simple. If your subject is singular, or if it is one person except I and you have to write s or es with your verb. For example, the first sentence is Mariam want to be a teacher. Now Mariam is one girl. There is only one girl. So Mariam wants to be a teacher when she grows up. She is also singular subject. Now fill in the blanks with past verbs. Come to the second question. You have to skip this question. Okay, you will not do this question, okay, because today we are doing present tense. Now kids, you will do page number 34 to 38. You will do complete pages. Change the given sentences into negative sentences. अब negative sentences कौन से होते हैं? In which those sentences in which we write not. Okay, I wash my clothes, I do not wash my clothes. Number 2, she breathes fast, she does not breathe fast. Okay, जब does आ जाता है तो हमारे verb के साथ s form of verb भी नहीं आती. We have already done in grade 3. In the same way you will do this. If your subject is singular, you will write do not, you will write does not. But if your subject is plural, or if your subject is I or you will write do not. Okay, so kids, you have to do these pages from page 33 to 38. I hope you understand. Take care kids. Allah Hafiz.